We're going to show you a live demonstration of how we remove red stains from the carpet. Usually it's Kool-Aid or some other sort of artificial drink that a kid has spilled on the floor. For this, we'll be using the Kool-Aid remover. And so we'll spread it on the floor over the red spot evenly. Allow that to sit. And right here we have our Wagner wallpaper remover. Normally you could use an iron with a white rag to remove a red spot like this. But in the carpet cleaning industry, it's referred to as a heat transfer, so we just put that on top of the red stain and allow that to sit for right around a minute. And you may have to repeat this process a couple of times for the red stain to fully come out. It's just one of the specialty services that Olson Janitorial Carpet Cleaning offers here in the Evanston, Park City area. If you'd like a free estimate, please give us a call, 920-747-9007. So as you can see, that first process pretty much has taken out the red spot. We'll just repeat it again to make sure that any leftover red spot in the carpet will be removed with this heat transfer process, and then we come back with our steam extraction to rinse the carpet out thoroughly.